Hello my friend, I came to talk to you now. What is it? Bull and bear market in Forex trading, or what is it? What are bearish and bullish market? Like if you go next to Wall Street, New York, going to find a bull. Everyone he know the animal, the bull, and that is a bear. So that the difference between them, one bull, one bear, what that meant, because professional traders, that's what they call a bearish market, a bullish market, those words. So let's dive in here. When trading in financial market, you will quite often hear the experience bull market or sometimes bear market. Well, the exact origin of these two experiences is up for the debate. The meaning is quite simple. The bull market is when a financial instrument is trending in an upward manner. In other words, people are buying it. Conversely, the bear market is when a financial instrument is trending in a downward manner, as people are selling it. Of course, they are the most basic definition for these two types of market. There are other way of discerning which type of market you are in, rather than this generalized term. Traders will use several different types of indicator or condition on chart to determine whether or not to officially call a market a bull market or a bear market. And there is sometimes, so let me stop here, and there is sometimes ranging market. Ranging market, that when the market it's not going up, it's not going down, it's sideways. Sideways or ranging or choppy, that's the word we use. One of the most common way is to use moving averages as a representation of the overall trend. Generally, when traders do this for trend direction, you will use a slower moving or a higher period moving average to determine the direction. For example, you use a 200-day moving average to determine if the overall trend is up or down. The thing behind this is that a slower moving average like the 200 will change direction much slower than a fast one. The trend is determined by an overslope of the moving average. The other world, if it's going from lower left to upper right, we are in an uptrend. Of course, it works in an opposition direction as well. I think everything is very clear. I'm moving a 200 moving average, also talking here about simple. It's calculating, because we will not enter here in the the formula how to calculate. It's calculating the 200 candles in the market. I think in the course I will show you what meant candles, everything, but it's calculating 200 candles. If it's 1 hour, 200 candles. If it's in daily, 200 candles of daily. It's like that it's working. Let's dive in. Another common way to determine whether we are in a bull market or their market is to use weekly trend line. The support and resistance area will move along to the chart in a diagonal fashion, showing which direction the market owns the go over. The higher time frame the chart, the more reliable this trend line become. One of the most reliable trend line to use is one that show up one in a weekly chart. This because it takes much more information as far as trader in order to push the price around, be it up or down. While it doesn't really matter if you call a market a bull market or a trend upward, you should know that these are phrases that are usually by majority of traders. It's simply a function of jargon, much like the rest of the professional world. The Forex world has its own language that all traders speak in order to convey information to one another. Now that you know what a bull market and what a bear market are, you have an understand of some of the most basic language that is spoken. I think, as me I tell my student, you don't need to understand everything. The most important, you need to learn how to trade that market. And that's what I will teach you in that course. I will teach you all the information you need, and I will show you a trading strategy, how to trade by it, and I will show you with live examples, with live trades, real money, how to trade by that strategy. So let's dive in more. So now here I show you examples that the candle, and here you saw a bull market. Here, as I use here me a trend line or a flash or anything, that's a bull market. Market is going up, that in a per British pound USD, or as the trader they call it cable, because when you enter to that world they call it cable. They call it cable because the cable they used to be between USA and UK in the World War Mondial, and like there is other names, Aussie, Kiwi, those names, but you don't need to care about them. The most important, you need to make money, not to learn words. Now you see that a bull market. Let's move more. Here is a bear market. Bear, that means there is a bull. Bull is the animal and the bear is the animal. When the bull is winning, market, the buyers they push it up. When the bear they are winning, that means the sellers they pushing the market down. And there is sometimes the market is being choppy or sideways or ranging. That means there is no direction. Think here everything is very clear. So now you have a very good knowledge about the bear and bull markets. So see you in another part of the course, in another chapter. Bye for now, my friends.